because Yapp, who's just broke off and scratched on the break, well, he's currently in 6th place.
I come between the 4 and 8 here. Yeah, and what you'll see with the great players is real smart position, but also puts them in a lot of positions where they make a lot of those medium strokes. That's when they're really in gear with the cue ball.
Wow.
Well, that's some future, but no shot on the 5.
Yeah, kicked it in, didn't mean to.
I like off the right side rail up behind it myself. If you're comfortable with it, I mean. You get a lot with this, though, because everything's tracking downward.
One of them's going to go in front soon.
Yeah, if you see that top of the screen, tough shot there for Capito. We might get to see it. I don't know if y'all will.
This could get behind the 9. Look at this. Johan has just missed the delicate purple 5, so Capito gets back to the table after the mistake. How's this going to finish up? That's not bad for Shane.
Looked awfully tight by the 8. First glance, I didn't think he'd be shooting at it, but... All right, Shane, good little recovery. I say recovery just because he's already had 2 kind of unforced errors here in game 1. Took a little speed off. This shot on the 1 is kind of like a prime example.
That was sweet. Really sweet.
3-6, I guess.
Yeah, I think 3-6.
Yeah, he can just kind of draw the cue ball off this, right?
Fancied him to make the 6 there. I felt like he was the favourite.
It was very makeable. Yeah, this is going to be overcooked a little bit, but not bad. Well, never mind. Going
Just
with a little more speed.
yeah, you've just got to. Yeah, pink 4 goes. So this is all just connect the dots now. 7 balls in a great spot just to get on the 9. And that. There's that really long pause at the back on some of his shots.
Yeah, any kind of stun or flat ball, like right there, he didn't have the pause because he was hitting it a little sweeter.
But of course he's going to go. The 9's close, Jeremy. The 9's close. Wow.
And I don't know if it was going. This has got to go a little bit. This has got to go. Spinning, it should get there.
Obviously 6-9 combos easy. Anyway, you can shoot that. Yeah, this rack should be over. Kind of plodding along. Still 2-1 to Chua.
Both guys are maybe not as focused because they know they're advancing, but that's not the case. There's advancing, but the records still carry over. So a lot going on with this match here.
Got to stretch over a ball or two here, but he's okay. Yeah, Chua does pop the 9. It's now 3-1. Or just graze off it. Yeah, kind of grazed off it. 9 ball in the same pocket. Three, 2.
He hit it sweet. He could actually hold the ball. Can't be too upset about that.
Yeah, we just got a glimpse of table 2 there. In the Chews at the table, jumping over the 9. He's 4-1 up. He just needs one more rack to get that point.
Definitely the most impactful match probably of the tournament so far. And, you know, yeah, good speed there. I mean, makes it a hair funny. He just got perfect, it looks like. Entire match at 3s. I think I asked you earlier this week, and I've never thought about doing this, but I
talk about how good his cue ball control is. Yeah, thanks for that, Shane. It's actually, you expect him to go for it though, of course. Pot it, find the gap. Yeah, good shot, Shane.
All right, yeah, to win 3 in a row. Go to the hill first. Ball's in the middle of the table, and you have a grouping somewhere that you got to open, like the 6-8. Usually there's an angle to get at it, one way or another, from whichever side pocket you want to play it in.
Yeah, good shot. Has now tuck away, shooting it up the long rail into the top right corner. He'll swing the cue ball round to play it in the same hole as the brown 7. Just make sure you don't underhit this ball. Well, this looks ideal, and a little bounce off the rail, like so. Capito still in the match over on table 2.
Yeah, broke the ball's nice. I don't think he has a pocket. Maybe the 9 can help him cut the 2 on the side, that being Robbie. If he needs it to really survive, he'll play more matches no matter what. All right, the 2's going to come open, very open. A little short. I got into it nicely. Could get somewhat straight here, though.
Yeah, Capito on table 2 has tied it up from 4-1 down. It's 4 apiece. Oh, he's done well. Forced it over.
All right, perfect position here. Again, he'll have to play a few more matches, and they're certainly worth dollars. But he won't be making it to the final stages or defending champion. But here's the 50-yard line.
Yeah, Jeremy.
I'll tell you, he wasn't so sure when he first hit it, Carl.